In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change to push to talk in Arc Raiders. If you've been using voice activity or a toggle and you want more control over when your mic is live, this quick walkthrough will get you set up so your voice only transmits when you press a button. Start by opening the game's settings. You can do this from the main menu or by pausing while you're in a match. Once the settings menu is open, move to the audio tab at the top. On keyboard and mouse, click audio. On a controller, navigate to the tab and confirm. This is where all the voice and sound options live, so it's the place to make the change. Now scroll down until you see the sections for Party Voice Chat and Proximity Voice Chat. Party Voice Chat controls how you talk with your party or squad, while Proximity Voice Chat handles local, in-world communication with nearby players. Because Arc Raiders separates these, you'll want to adjust both, so your experience is consistent no matter how you're chatting. Next to each of these options, you'll see small arrows you can click or select. These arrows let you cycle through the available modes, typically voice activity, toggle voice, and push to talk. Click the arrows until push to talk is displayed for Party Voice Chat. Then do the exact same thing for Proximity Voice Chat. Keep clicking until both show push to talk. That way you won't broadcast unintentionally in your party or to players nearby. Your mic will only open when you actively press your push-to-talk control. A quick note on what these modes mean, just for clarity. Voice activity keeps your mic open whenever the game detects sound, which can pick up background noise. Toggle voice turns your mic on or off with a single tap, which is easy to forget. Push-to-talk is the most precise, because you decide exactly when your voice is transmitted by holding a button while you speak. Once you've set both party and proximity to push to talk, you're done. The game applies these changes immediately, so there's nothing else to confirm. From here, play as you normally would, and remember that your voice will only go through when you press and hold your push to talk input. If you're adjusting this mid-session, it's a good idea to make the switch while you're in a safe spot or back in the lobby so you don't miss any in-game action. That's all it takes to change to push to talk in Arc Raiders. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the added control over your voice chat.